The other day I got a hummus bowl from the city. It was okay, but it just wasn't that great. $18 for a small thing of hummus that I can make 10 times better at home. You shouldn't have to go out to a restaurant, spend all this money when you can create this beautiful, juicy, flavorful chicken shawarma hummus. Okay, so these are the components. And our unit of measurement is spoon. As you can see, it's mostly heavy spices, all that. Very simple. So I'm gonna hold my camera right here, pause the video so you can gather all these ingredients. Now that you've got everything together, let's get our cutting board ready. We start by taking chicken thighs and we're gonna clean them up. Sure, just pulls right off. Just comes right off. You don't have to get all of it off. Doesn't have to be perfect. Beautiful. Fat goes away. I'm gonna show you how I want you to cut this chicken. Nice, thin. The whole idea is you just want little strips almost like this. The real way chicken shawarma is made is it's put on a rotisserie and then it's very thinly sliced onto a pita or hummus or whatever. Alright, just gonna take it, throw it into a container. Beautiful. Now just add in a nice sized clove of garlic. We're gonna throw in equal parts of cumin and allspice, using about a half a spoonful of each. For the cinnamon you want to go very light because it can tend to overpower the other seasonings. And then we're gonna throw in equal parts of smoked paprika, coriander, and thyme. I like to use a nice spoonful of the seasoning called Bear, mainly because it has cardamom in it, so if you can find it, use it. If not, it's okay. And then I throw in 2.5 spoons of lemon juice, and then we drizzle in a generous amount of oil. Also add in salt and turmeric. So we have a little tester pan here so we can taste our chicken and adjust the seasonings. So when you cook your chicken, it should be high heat. You want it to be gorgeous, just like that. And this tastes perfectly seasoned, so I'm not going to adjust it. Now I'm going to show you a pickled onion recipe that really enhances the flavor of this dish. Now just thinly slice your onions. We're using 1 ounce of white wine vinegar and apple cider vinegar. Also add a 1/4 cup of water. And then we're just pouring it in a pan to boil. Add in a spoonful of sugar, a little bit of honey, and salt. Don't do what I'm doing. Instead, pack your onions in a glass bowl or any sort of a jar. Press it down when you cover it and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. We're gonna cook the chicken, so get your pan to medium-high heat and then add your oil. If it starts smoking a little bit, not excessively, that's how you know it's perfect. After about 2 to 3 minutes of searing, you should be able to flip your chicken. This cooks very fast because it's thin. And then I throw in some butter and a little bit of lemon juice just to deglaze. Because as you already know, the fond or burnt bits equals flavor. Just look at that for a second. It's gorgeous, right? Now we're spreading a little bit of my homemade hummus. If you haven't made this perfect, authentic hummus yet, the link is in the description. In addition to parsley and paprika, I sprinkle on the tiniest amount of cayenne pepper. You can also add some cumin or cracked black pepper for more flavor, and tahini sauce, which I also made in my hummus recipe. Make sure to check that out. Look at that beautiful chicken shawarma. It's loaded with flavor. And you can't forget the goodness of those pan drippings. All you gotta do now is toast your pita and enjoy this amazing dish. It's also a great source of protein if you're trying to get big like this guy. He's starting a new channel based around weightlifting and cooking. I'll have it linked in the description. You don't have to thank me for this, but just make sure to subscribe, like, and let me know what you think.